All right, good morning everybody. So for this week's demo, I'm doing some breakfast parfaits. So in this pot here, I went ahead and I cooked some wild rice and a full bag of the fresh cranberries. So you'll still get fresh cranberries, they're in season right now, probably through Christmas at least. So I got one of those because it's cheaper to buy fresh produce in season. So I added the full bag to the wild rice with the water. So I did 2 cups of wild rice and 6 cups of water, and I let that cook down for about an hour and a half. Wild rice does take a little bit longer to cook and takes a little bit more water than white or brown rice. However, wild rice does have more protein and B vitamins than the other rices, so there's trade-offs, and wild rice is a really great source of fiber as well. So the wild rice I'm using today, we have more available in the Elmo Clinic pantry, but this wild rice comes from the Red Lakes Nation in Minnesota. So it should be good. So for our breakfast bowls, breakfast parfaits, whatever you want to call them, we'll do a scoop of the wild rice and cranberry mixture. I am going to use Greek vanilla yogurt with mine. It's up to you if you want to eat yogurt with yours or not. You can just eat the rice and berries plain as is. But I like to add the yogurt for extra calcium, for good bone health, as well as some extra protein. So I'll add a little bit of that. And then for flavorings, I'm going to do a little bit of ground cinnamon on mine. It's kind of up to you, the different toppings you like to add to yours, as well as some maple syrup. So we got the pure maple syrup here. You could also do honey or agave nectar, kind of whatever your preference is. So there's a little bit of syrup on there. I have some frozen berries, so I'm going to add those. A little bit of frozen berries to the fresh, or some whole berries because the cranberries are all mashed up in there. So add a little bit of frozen whole berries. And then over here I have some other toppings that you could try. So you could always add dried fruit to your breakfast parfait, add some more vitamins and minerals and fiber to it. I also have some flax seeds and some sunflower seeds you could add. So eating seeds and nuts will add protein. It'll add good healthy fat, omega-3 fatty acids. That'll help reduce the inflammation in your body. They'll make your insulin more effective. It's protective against heart disease, so a lot of good benefits from nuts and seeds. And you also get some really good vitamins and minerals too, like magnesium for muscle and bone health. So I'm going to add flax seeds to mine. But again, it's these kind of dishes are nice because you get to pick and choose what toppings you want to put on. So I like to add a variety of things. So so we'll get all sorts of different nutrients. We're getting vitamins and minerals and fiber from the fruit. We're getting carbs and fiber from the rice. We're getting protein and calcium from the yogurt. So yeah, we're getting all the healthy fats, all different things from this dish. And like I said, it's kind of up to you how you want to make it, what toppings you want to put on there. You could do peanut butter too, all different fruits. So yeah, this is kind of fun. Prep it ahead of time. Keep it in the fridge for about a week, and you'll have breakfast all week long. So this here is our final product. Thank you.